Muzik Mom, that's music with a Z for Zoe, that's me. Music with a K for keys, that's you. If you're 3 to 93, we're going to learn to unleash these keys. I am going to teach you how to unlock the 88 keys in 5 minutes with the piano ABCs. You got this. The entire mystery of all these keys, there's so many, it's really not that complicated. Here today, in 5 minutes, I'm gonna set the mystery free. Are you ready for this? Say yes. Yes, I hear you. Say yes. I am so excited about this. All right, so here's what we have. Brace yourself. We have 2 colors. Okay, let's start with that. What color is this? I know you know. I hear you say it. Black. I hear you because I have music ears. What color is this? White. Good job. Very smart. That's because you're following me. So we have black keys. A whole bunch of them. So many. Oh my goodness, they're all squished together. And then we have white ones. Aren't they beautiful? They're nice and smooth. Oh no, there's so many of them. Oh my. So we have 2 colors, a bunch of black keys and a bunch of white keys. I'll try not to make that voice again because probably it annoys you. And I don't want you to leave me because I want you to subscribe. So I'll try not to be obnoxious and a little bit crazy, even though I am. Now, I promised you something great and I'm going to deliver it. In 5 minutes, are you going to set your timer? Because you want to see if I can really do it. How am I going to take these 88 keys and simplify them for you when you've thought, I'll never be able to learn piano, I'll never, it's so complicated. Here we go. I want you to take your hand and I want you to look anywhere on your keyboard and find 2 friends together. 2 black keys together, 3 friends together, 3 black keys together. So if you can do this with me, 2 friends together, 3 friends together. Notice the pattern? Of course you do. 2 friends together, 3 friends together. Music is full of patterns just like math. If you love math, you're going to love music. Kids who start music do better in math. It's proven. It's a fact. So here we have 2 friends together, 3 friends together, 2 friends together, 3 friends together. Now, this is where it gets good. This is the juicy stuff. I'm so excited. I came up with this rhyme, and you're going to hear it here for the very first time. You ready for this? 2 black keys. Thumb. This is your thumb. If you watch the other video, it's also number 1. 2 black keys, 1 on C. What did I just do? You just were able with me in a simple rhyme to find a C. Let's say it together at home. You don't have to say it in that weird voice that I do. You can be normal, pretend to be. 2 black keys, 1 on C. That's right. So here, there's a whole bunch of C's on our piano. The C is the white key right in front of the 2 black keys. And so let's say I'm starting at the bottom. 2 black keys, 1 on C. 2 black keys, 1 on C. Can you do this with me? 2 black keys, 1 on C. Find the C's. 2 black keys, 1 on C. I'm stopping. I'm stopping because this C is a special C. This is our middle C. Now, wherever you have a keyboard, maybe it's not the full 88. If it's a smaller 61, like I talked about in the previous video, link below, you probably want to watch it on where to buy a great keyboard. There's always going to be a middle. So wherever you find the middle, on a regular piano, it's where the words are. On a keyboard, it's not going to have words like this. You're going to have to use your eyes and find the middle of that keyboard. And that is always going to be middle C. So here we are, I paused. 2 black keys, 1 on middle C. 2 black keys, C, going up. So that's a great poem. Now you know where to find all of the C's. But I promise more than that. I know you remember. Because you're super smart. Because you follow me. And you're going to subscribe. 2 black keys, 1 on C. I still have a lot more to unleash if you have to learn all 88. You only learn the C's. So buckle up. Your mind is about to be blown. I'm so excited. Okay, so we have our C's. You remember that? Now watch this. 2 black keys, 1 on C. Freeze your thumb. Thumb counts as 1. Count down 3. 1, 2, 3. Then freeze. Let's do that again. 2 black keys, 1 on C. C counts as 1. Count down 3. 1, 2, 3. Then freeze. This note, I have to breathe. This is such good material. Is A. Now watch this. We are going to say the musical alphabet. We have found how to find the beginning of the musical alphabet on our keyboard. 2 black keys, 1 on C. C counts as 1. Count down 3. 1, 2, 3. Freeze. Now we're ready to stop and say the musical alphabet today. Cool, right? Let's say it together. You ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. There's no H in music. There's no H in music. If there's no H in music, what letter is this? It's A. We just start over again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Remember, there's no H in music. A, B, C, D. What? In 5 minutes did you just learn? You learned how every single note is laid out. You've learned where to find your C's, 2 black keys, 1 on C. You learned the letter name for every single key going up. All 88 keys now. Isn't that beautiful? So you can play a game. Let's say you're bored and you and your child, or you just want to test yourself and you just want to say, I want to play that. Okay, find the letter name. You can take your hand and find D. Remember how to find your D. You just find where A is. 2 black keys, 1 on C. C counts as 1, count down 3, 1, 2, 3. There's your A, B, C, D. There you found D. So there's going to be another play along with me video with this. The children or you could do. Stay with me and it will be linked below. The play along video will have wonderful practice games for finding the letters for a very young child so that they can practice every day, even for a short amount of time, 1 minute or 2 minutes, to find the letter names on the keyboard map. What you will notice in this teaching series, other series on YouTube are going to encourage stickers and color coding and all those things put on the piano. I will use none of those because we do not want to handicap a child by putting things on the keyboard that will, in essence, make it so that if those stickers or those colors are not there, if they go play on a keyboard, let's say at Costco, or they perform on a grand piano on a stage, and their stickers aren't there, they will be lost. So we use no handicaps, no stickers, we don't write on our keys. We learn how to find our notes through our eyes and ears and these original poems that you only hear on Muzik Mom. And you're going to keep subscribing and coming back because this is all me with these wonderful keys. We're making music miracles for me and you. That one didn't rhyme, but you still love me anyway. Be sure to check out the description below because there's a wonderful link to free downloads which accompany the video series. These fabulous downloads will have additional tips and tricks which make the exciting journey of learning music easier for you and your child. Be sure you watch the next video, and together we will keep making Mozarts and raising Bach stars, one child, one YouTube lesson at a time. She will Bach you!